Hello students, good morning. Welcome back to your science class now. Students, today we are going to learn very short type question answers from the chapter uses of plants. Okay? So listen carefully. Then you will write in your copy and then memorize this. Okay, this is the task for you. So students, let us start. Very short type question answer, that is you have to answer in one or two words. You have to answer in one or two words. Question number 1, give an example of a cereal. Wheat. Anyone you have to write? Wheat, or you can write rice. Number 2, which cereal is used to make idlis? Which cereal is used to make idlis? Rice. Which cereal is used to make bread? Wheat. Give an example of a pulse. Give an example of a pulse. Gram. Number 4, cereals and pulses are known as food grains. Cereals and pulses are known as food grains. Question number 5, give an example of a root of a plant that we eat as vegetable. Carrot, you can write radish. Number 6, underground stem of plant. Underground stem of plant, we eat this vegetable. Okay, underground stem of plant we eat as vegetable, that is onion. Next is 7, name a plant whose leaves we eat. You can write spinach. I like spinach, so I have written spinach. And you can write coriander, mint. Mint is also very good for our health. Okay, anyone you can write. If it is asking one, then you will write only one. If it is asking name two plants, then you will write name of two plants. Okay. Number 8, give an example of spice. Pepper. 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 9, give an example of edible oil. Mustard oil. The answer will be mustard oil. Edible oil, mustard oil. Groundnut oil is also there. Number 10, from which part of a tea plant we get tea? That is leaves. From which part of a tea plant we get tea? Answer, leaves. Number 11, from which part of coffee plant we get coffee? From which part of the coffee plant we get coffee? Bean. From coffee bean we get coffee powder. Okay. Number 12, name a plant which can cure cough and cold. This is very common. Tulsi. Okay, that is tulsi. Number 13, what we get from bamboo plant? Paper. We get paper from bamboo plant. Number 14. What we get from acacia plant? Acacia plant, or you can say tree, shrubs, herbs, this all are plants. So what we get from acacia tree? Answer, gum, gum. 15. Give an example of the product of rubber. Any one product you can write. Tire, tyre, tire. Okay, so 16 I have given. 16 is which cereal is used to make bread, that is 16. Okay, that wheat. So 16 short type questions today I have given you to learn. These all are sample questions. Okay, this type of question can be asked in exam as MCQ or very short type question. Okay, MCQ is also involved in short type questions. So students, learn this, write in your classwork copy and memorize this. So this is what for today. The class ends here. Goodbye.